Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to show you a couple of cool things today. First, we're doing really well with the Bitcoin trade yesterday. I told you guys that we were should get a nice bounce off of this level. I had a order set around here, and it was around pretty late last night. I was about to go to bed, so it would have been better if I just didn't watch the trade and just went to bed because, like, I got in, then I like saw up here, I took a little bit of profit up here. It says stop loss and entry point, then I went to bed. But if I think I originally had my stop loss down here somewhere, so I think around here, so I would have been fine. This is a rare occurrence. Usually you don't see like a triple bottom like this going down. Like that almost looks kind of bearish, but then you have the fierce wick up here, which doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty bullish, and then pretty nice trend reversal here. I got back in a little while ago, about an hour ago. Here, been longing, took profit here. Common sense, just resistance points. And shout out to Jason Casper. I mean, using his levels. I pay for his private Discord. It's outsourcing, guys. Outsource. I could draw my own levels, maybe, but it's just easier to take what you can, especially if it's cheap, while it lasts. Every opportunity has an expiration date. Every opportunity does not last forever. So yeah, we're just waiting it out now, just letting the trade run. It's a small trade. I'll show you guys the trade. It's a tiny little trade here. We're $60 in profit. Took $70 out of it between last night. Yeah, I don't have crazy amounts of money to trade around, but took some profits. When you're doing this as an income, it's or as part of your income, excuse me, it's you want to be more conservative with it, but if you're too conservative, you don't make any money. So yeah. But I drew this last night. Where was this off of? Where we're going? I think it was probably the 30-minute. No, I think 15-minute then. Maybe, I don't know where it's a good question. Doesn't seem to add up too much. Maybe 1 hour. I don't. Yeah, it seems like it would go longer than that. It doesn't really make sense. I'm trying to remember what I was doing yesterday, but yeah, I think we got a ways to go up a little bit. Trend is your friend. Nice reversal. I would look definitely look closely for a short around 300. It's a daily level support, and you got the wedge we broke out of. So yeah, I think you could definitely. I mean, there's probably a 90% chance you're going to get at least a scalp trade out of this, and then you come back up. Or better case scenario for you guys trying to short, you're going to get something like that. That'd be pretty nice. I mean, everyone wants. Everyone wants Bitcoin to come back. The other thing I was looking at, I'm not going to show you. It'd be too complicated too. But back in the 2013, for those of you who think we're having a 2013 scenario with Bitcoin, it's about at the area where it was sideways before it went back up. So if we're going to have that scenario play out, it's pretty soon. We're going to get a leg up pretty soon. What everyone's talking about is the pending, or looks like we're going to print a green dot on the weekly, which is going to be huge. I mean, that's always, we're going to come up at least. I drew this. Get rid of this line. What? Two lines. Okay. I mean, worst case scenario, once you confirm the green dot, you're going to get like at least something like this and come back down. I mean, best case scenario, well, I didn't zoom. Hold on. Let's worst case scenario, something like this probably, or more into Feb. It's hard with the lines, but sorry about this, guys. I don't want to waste too much time here, but you get the point. Something like this, and then you'll come up. You will come up, probably up to 40. Probably up to mid 30s, 40 at least, from something like that. Shy of some crazy unpredictable event. And that's not for Bitcoin. Ethereum, I've been lazy with. I have a order set here. We didn't really bounce off of anything important. That's a fib level. That's an important fib level last night. I think Bitcoin's, at least in the short term, going to outperform Ethereum. There's a lot of work trading both at the same time. I do have that order set, so I'm not in a rush to get anything on Ethereum. It's the technicals are looking pretty much the same as Bitcoin. That's another thing I wanted to show you. The three-hour VWAP looking great on both of them. I believe this is confirmed. Is this confirmed yet? 50 minutes will confirm it. I think we're gonna have a green day. I think we're gonna have a green day for the Ethereum and the Bitcoin. Looks pretty good right now. Nice reversal. And same thing. I mean, you're printing. Are we printing on the 6-hour yet? A green day? Yes, yes. So assuming this confirms, it'll be 4 hours. But assuming this confirms, I mean, let's look at the typically what happens when you have a green dot. I mean, this low, that's a 5% gain. So, even being, let's say, like before, what, yeah, 3.5. You still got some crumbs. You guys still got some left if you went long right now. You could probably get another % out of this. It'll probably be, a little choppy though. We'll probably hit some dead space and then something like that, most likely. Excuse me. The only thing obviously is you got that coming down, but it's on the 6 hours, so I wouldn't worry. But that's the most likely scenario from this chart. But you also could have something like this and go again. So hard to say. But yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I think for you not in a position right now, what you should be looking for. Maybe a bounce off of this showing support. Make sure, I mean, if we have that 6 hour confirming, a bounce off of this would probably be a great point for a long, take your profits along the way. First profit would probably be somewhere around, this CMA and here, and then let it ride, or take some more out here. Obviously, it's a big piece of support. It depends how you trade. I mean, there's a lot of different ways. And that's it for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I am bullish in the short term and slightly bullish in the medium term to the long term. And here's another cool thing I wanted to show you. This was I got to sign up for Forex. I got to figure out where to Forex trade. Where the cool kids Forex trade. I got to figure that out. This I like on the 15-minute. This is what I drew out yesterday. It's played out. I drew it. Yeah, I think, where did I start this? Yeah, I drew it here. I drew it at 1 a.m. last night, around there, maybe a little bit earlier, and it's played out exactly as I predicted on this Forex trade. So you want to be in a couple of hours. I mean, assuming we keep going up towards this, we could be probably a little bit more of a hump, most likely what I drew out. So it's played out as predicted. A nice, you get a nice 1%, 100x leverage. It's 100% gain there for Forex for the euro dollar devaluation. Let's see here. Oh, of course, on the 30-minute, that 24-minute, yeah, you're breaking up, so that. Some may make the argument that you could keep going up, much higher because of that, but I don't know. I like what I'm seeing on the 15-minute. I like the curvature there. That we'd go down more. Keep an eye on this. Could be a great trade. And set your stop loss up here when you enter around there. And you'll do well. If you want to trade on BITGET, forgot to mention, if you want to trade on BITGET like me, and make some more Bitcoin or Tether, they have a lot of stuff on here. My link is in the description. I get a bonus, you get a bonus, so check that out. And that's pretty much all I have to say. Great trading day so far, well into the green. Keep an eye on this level for a short. Keep an eye on this level for a long to confirm that support. Trend is your friend. Have a good one, guys. Goodbye.